it! Attack!
Today you're learning how to use Higgsfield AI to make short dramas and make money. So you already know Higgsfield AI. I'm pretty sure you don't need any type of introduction for this, but I'm going to show you how you can make viral short dramas like ReelShort and viral short dramas like Dramabox and make money on YouTube from the videos using Higgsfield AI. Now, you want a proven system. And first, in order to know what's proven, you need to know what's making money. So if we come over here to Google and you search ReelShort net worth, I'm pretty sure just like you guys, I've only been seeing ReelShort for a couple of years, okay? Look at this. They are worth $3 billion globally. They started 2022. What if you could be worth billions in just a couple years? Or, I mean, even if you can get a slice of pie off of that, because I ain't trying to sit here and promise you any type of earnings like that, because I can't. But we go to the runner-up, Dramabox right here, and as you can see, they make a profit of 10 million, what is that, a year or something like that? So, now, if you ever heard of people like Haha Davis or Country Wayne on Facebook, you see them in Facebook Reels, they do these little short dramas, they started pulling those out. A lot of comedians make a lot of money with these type of episodes, but the difference is they have to actually have real life actors and actresses. You don't. You can use something like Higgsfield AI, and through them you can use Seed Dance, you can use, well, you used to be able to use Sora and everything like that, but they got different models and everything that will allow you to construct these short drama episodes and everything for a fairly affordable price. Now, what do I mean by that? How do you find what's going to work? So we have a tool called Viral over here, which helped me find that intro that you guys saw. That intro had 4.2 million views on it. And the long form version had around 1.3 million views on it. And then I found some other smaller channels that had like 40,000 views and stuff. And it was like the only video on there. Like, look at this one right here. Arena Zero movie episode. This one has 40,000 views on it, 124 subscribers. It was uploaded April 3rd. So it's an outlier on that channel. And that's what Viral does. Viral helps you find outliers, but it doesn't just do that. It helps you come up with outlier parallels so that you're not just re-uploading the exact same video and you're filling in a supply and demand gap. So you want to do that with your short drama. So how do we find what's actually popping right now? What I did was I came over here to Google Trends and I typed in short drama and I typed in worldwide in the last 24 hours. As you can see, something called Weeping Bones. Something called Weeping Bones is viral right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy Weeping Bones and I'm going to bring it back over here to viral. And you guys see how to spell viral. It's not spelled how you think it is. And we're going to click search keyword, right? Now, it says 0 outliers. We're going to remove short drama and see if it's popular. Okay, so there's no outliers right here in English. So since I have worldwide on in Google, let's go ahead and put United States on and see what short dramas are viral over here in the United States. Well, I ain't in the United States. You guys are in the United States. It still says Weeping Bones, Chinese short drama. Let's click over this one right here. Where are we at? Short drama actors. Let's see. Chinese short drama. Let's go back over here and see what pops up on viral. So what viral does, like I said, is it's going to find outliers, like videos that's performed like they stand out on the channel, like they do way better than they actually do. So when I typed in Chinese short drama, as you guys can see, there are a whole bunch of outliers right here. This is a long form one right here. And beware, some of these mugs, especially the ones that are Chinese, are kind of graphic, you understand? But as you can see, this one has 418,000 views and it only has 1.6 thousand subscribers. Then you have more similar to it with the views. All right, look at this one. Here's another long form one right here. 3.3 million views on a channel that has 32.5 thousand subscribers. It's called My Unexpected Husband. So what would you do with this? How would you copy the success of something like this? You could use this as a parallel, an outlier parallel, in which you would just click this one right here and it'll generate parallels for you, and it'll probably turn it into My Unexpected Wife or My Unexpected, affair or boss or something like that, and pretty much take what's viral out of this video and construct a whole new one. It's going to write the script for you and everything, make sure it's completely different from the script of this one so you don't get no copyrights or get taken down or anything. Viral is awesome, man. But let's open this video up. It's a long form, and that's what we want. We want a long form because, well, If you guys are doing short dramas, then you'll go after the shorts, obviously. But you also want to mix it up with the long forms at the beginning of your channel. Why? Because, guys, faster speed to getting your channel monetized if you didn't get a pre-monetized channel. Also, it shows YouTube that you're not a bot. A lot of people are creating these bot channels, like, you know, the brand new email, brand new channel, and immediately like uploading like 10 shorts and stuff like that. So at the beginning of your channel, it's good to have like videos like this, like a couple long form. They don't have to be 2 hours like this one. You can just take half the script, speed it up with ChatGPT or using Viral, and you just create it with Higgsfield. So Higgsfield will recreate it for you. But I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, that's hella's credits. That's like a 2-hour movie right there. Well, that's why we just stay with these right here. This one, it says funny Chinese octopus drama short. I don't know what the hell that's about, but it is 5.4 million views on this. Look at this one. The main and second leads couple, that is 1.2 million views on a channel with only 6.3 thousand subscribers. So guys, you can simply find these short dramas and you translate them to English. All right. The script will be given to you out of Viral, and then you just translate it to English using something like ChatGPT or something. Right. And then you put the script into, well, of course you can use Higgsfield to create your AI characters, or you can use Nana Banana Pro to create an AI characters for your short drama. And then you simply upload the scripts to it and storyboard it and everything like that. And you will have your own short drama episodes. I recommend keeping them under 30 seconds to begin. Make sure they're high intensity. I'm not talking about action packed, but I'm talking about, it's called a drama for a reason. So it needs to be emotional and all of that extra stuff, guys. But I ain't gonna get into all of that. But the point I'm trying to make is, guys, you don't have to just be a consumer of movies anymore. You don't have to just be a consumer of music or TV shows or anything. You can create your own art as well. Look at this stuff. Like Jerry Bruckheimer, Michael Bay type stuff. You understand what I'm saying? You can do this stuff now. You can make a lot of money with it. So you just get whatever like pricing plan that you can afford to start with, and then you level up as you're making money.